All right, so this is week 5, the home stretch of my challenge to ride all 13 Vëlosummer routes. So this is the Dry Teller Tour, which means 3 valleys. So it's the Alzette Valley, the White Aarons Valley, and right here, the Sour Valley, because this is the Sour River. This is like one of my favorite spots in Luxembourg, in the Ernst Valley, and it's just incredible. So this is the Raymer Tour, and it's a very nice little mellow meander between Strassen and Bertrange. Raymer means Roman. So this Raymer Tour follows the old Roman roads. And with that, my Vëlosummer 2024 is complete. I've ridden all 13 routes. All of them. Velo via Norden, Oversauer Tour, Vella Westen meets Beechdruff, Eistal Tour, Man Velo über Kap en Dal, Svilaner Tour, Man Jangli by the Ketty, Circuit de Terre Rouge, the Family Tour am Süden, Zur Ulvest Tour, Zauer Musel Tour. So I want to thank you all for joining me on this epic journey, and thanks too to Visit Luxembourg for giving me this opportunity. It was so fun. Till next time, Adi ciao, tip top.